Hello YouTube and welcome to my work at home art studio. I want to give you a little tour today, but first, let's roll the intro. Hey, if you're meeting for the first time today, my name is Jose Vega, and in this channel I like to share my process as a professional artist, from tutorials, time lapses, and any other tips and tricks that I find along the way to help you guys grow as an artist. But today's episode, I'm gonna take you to a little tour of my new space as I recently moved. So let's check it out. All right, so this is the first section of my work studio. This is where I spend the majority of the time. I have two sections, and I think it's very important for you to section off the sections if you do multiple things. So I have this section where I do the majority of the work, where I do all my paintings, my 3D, everything studio. And I have another section where I do all my organizing and all that, but we'll take a look at that in a few minutes. But I have here a 24-inch Cintiq Pro, my 2 monitors, and this is where I spend the majority of the time every day that I work. I also have this area up here, which I'm gonna feel as time goes by, but I have here first a peek of me and my wife at our wedding day. And this is my wife right here. This is my reminder of why I do everything I do. Also, I have my hero sign here, which I love. And I also have this this cool little emblem that Castlevania emblem that me and Tucker, our 3D artist for Castlevania, did, and we sort of worked together to create this emblem, which is, I think, is super cool. And you know, we get to a few of the guys at the studio, but this is very important to me also because you know, Castlevania was the first in-house studio job that I did. And so I think it will always have a special heart in my a special place in my heart. Okay, guys, so this is the second section of my workstation. This is a very important section to me, and I wanted to sort of separate it from my computer, my monitors, and all that, because this is a section where I do, you know, all my planning and organizing and scheduling. So, you know, sometimes I'm working, you know, my studio job, my freelance, you know, recording videos, personal work, and all this stuff. And to me, it's very important to have some sort of way or a system where I can organize everything so I don't, you know, go crazy pretty much. And I do have these two journals here that I use. And, you know, this is a little one. This is my messy notes book. This is where I do all my messy notes from my everyday work. I usually keep it right next to me. So if I need to write something out real quick, I do it there. And on this one, this is where I do all my planning. So this is where I put everything, you know, from my week that I have to do the whole week, or the day, or, you know, whatever it is that I need to do officially. This is where I put it on. I also have my my iPad here if I need to write something up. But this is where I do all my organizing, and I like to, you know, turn off the monitors and just sit here and then concentrate, put some music on, and just, you know, do the organizing here. And I also have this really cool GPU backplate that I bought from the guys from V1 Tech, and it's my Goku backplate, and I just think it's really cool to have something fun in here to look at, and just to have it in here. All right, so that was it for my little tour of my workstation. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you have any comments or question, you know, leave them in the comment section below. And if you would like to share your own pics of your battle stations, leave them in the comments. I would love to check them out. I always geek out about that stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.